Hi, in this video we are going to see the central government recruitment notification as well as the university recruitment notification. That means I am going to show you the two different notifications in this video, guys. And here the opportunities are there for only postgraduates as well as any graduates as well as the graduates. Okay, so here the pay scales also you are going to get, guys. Okay, whatever the notification I'm going to show you, and with only PG you can earn up to 60,000 rupees per month, and with any graduate you can earn 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And to get the complete details regarding both these two notifications, please watch this video until the end and give me one like for this video, guys.
Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video.
And now while coming to the present content of the video, so out of the two notifications, it is the first one that I am going to show you. It is the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, so Autonomous Scientific Society, under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India from New Delhi, guys. And it requires the chief resource person, that is project coordination. Number of position is 1. And while coming to the essential qualification, regular BE or BTech in computer science or computer engineering or information technology or electrical and electronics engineering or electronics and instrumentation or electronics and communication, MSc in electronics or applied electronics or physics with first class from a recognized university or institution, or equivalent with first class from a recognized university. Okay, that is one qualification. Or else only PG. Okay, that means MTech or ME in computers or IT, electronics and communication or electronics, or any specialization in computer science or IT or EC or electronics like VLSI design, information security, embedded system design, software engineering, AI, networking, etc., or equivalent with first class from a recognized university or the institution, or else the PhD. Fine. So these are all the different qualifications required, guys. And while coming to the total experience, post qualification means after completion of your PG, 4 years experience is required with graduation, and 2 years of experience is required with post graduation, and nil experience is required with PhD. Okay, and age limit is maximum 35 years, and the remuneration is 60,000 rupees per month. It is a contract basis, so initially for a period of 6 months, and it may be extendable based upon the performance or the requirement. Okay, and the next one is a resource person, admin or accountant in account. Number of position 1, essential qualification, first class degree and graduate from any recognized university, and the post qualification experience 1 year is required in the experience of admin and accounts. Desirable knowledge or qualification or certificate, first class graduate in commerce, NIELIT, triple C qualified, that is a desirable only, and age limit is maximum 27 years. The remuneration is 35,000 rupees per month. So contractual basis initially for a period of 6 months, and it may be extendable based upon your performance or the requirement. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And if you want to apply online, then you have to go to the official website of this NIELIT. Okay, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. And if you want to apply, then please go to the official website of this one and then start applying, guys. Okay, and the next one I want to show you is from Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. So from this university here we got the non-teaching vacancies, guys, on the 7th pay scale, that is level 6. So online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following non-teaching post: transport supervisor, supervisor youth welfare, hostel supervisor, manager hospitality, storekeeper, as well as a caretaker. For each and every position, one vacancy is there, and it is open to all the categories. That means unreserved category, so anybody can apply under the general category. And the detailed information or instruction eligibility criteria you will get from the official website. And here the last date of submission of online application form is 15th 7 2021, and the last date of submitting the hard copy is 26th July 2021. So 15th July online, 26th July hard copy. Okay, so please find out what are the necessary documents you have to attach. Okay, hard copy of online submitted application form along with the photocopies of required certificates and documents should reach the registrar, Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. Okay, and yeah, age limit you may check down 18 to 50 years maximum. Okay, 18 to 50 as on the closing date, and few general instructions are given. So coming to the application fee, the general category male of Haryana and other states, or female of other states, other than Haryana state, and female of reserved category of other than Haryana state is 1000 rupees. That means these vacancies are called for, you may apply from any state, guys. There is no restriction that only from Haryana candidates has to apply. You may apply from any state, and the fee will be accepted only through the online mode only. Link given in the online application form in the university website itself. Okay, so you may check down, and these are all the few more requirements, guys, and directly I will take you. So guys, the hard copy of the online application with self-attested copies of required relevant documents what you uploaded in the website must be submitted in the stipulated time in the office of Registrar Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. Okay, candidate should append the complete copies of the research papers if you published. Okay, and while coming to the qualifications, you may check down here transport supervisor, bachelor's degree in computer science with 50% of marks from a recognized university with 5 years of experience and knowledge of Hindi or Sanskrit up to matriculation. And supervisor youth welfare, a bachelor's degree from a recognized university with 5 years of experience, knowledge of Hindi, Sanskrit up to matriculation. And hostel supervisor, bachelor's degree in the hotel management and catering technology or tourism with 50% of marks from recognized university with 5 years of experience and knowledge of Hindi or Sanskrit up to metric is required. And manager hospitality, bachelor's degree in hotel management and catering tourism technology with 50%, and here the typing speed is required 30 words in English per minute, and the computer test at the 8000 impressions per hour in MS Word, and with 5 years of experience and knowledge of Hindi or the Sanskrit. Storekeeper, any bachelor's degree with 50% of marks, and the typewriting must be there. So for all the positions they are asking the experience, guys, so please check down. And the caretaker, no need of experience. So bachelor's degree in the hotel management and catering technology with 50%, and the typing speed must be there, and the knowledge of Hindi or Sanskrit up to matriculation. Okay, so academic qualification total 50 marks will be there. So 10th mark 10%, 12th standard 15%, graduation 20%, post graduation 5%. If post graduation is there, and if any experience is there, then 10 marks, domain knowledge 20 marks, and interview 20 marks. Okay, so out of this one they are going to select the candidates, guys, right? So these are all things, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you want to apply, then go to the official website of the Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.